Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing channel error in Blender. This is hands down one of the most frustrating issues when working with animation. It's a constant topic of discussion on Reddit, home to one of the largest Blender communities in the world. So what exactly is a missing channel? To help you understand what it is and why it's so annoying, I'll show you a visual example right now. I prepared a Blender file with a character and an animation track. I'll run this run action by selecting it and checking the box to activate the track. As you can see, the timeline isn't aligned correctly, so the animation isn't looping. To fix this, I'll open the MCX Super Animation add-on. Under the 3 action tools in keying section, I'll click Match. The system automatically identifies the active action and adjusts the start and end frames perfectly. Alright, now I'll select a bone that contains keyframes. Let's go with this arm bone. I'll press Tab to enter tweak mode. Now, let's bring up the timeline, select all the keyframes, and delete them. Now, watch what happens when I try to rekey it. First, let me turn off the mirror mode. We'll set a pose at frame 1. Then change the pose at frame 10. But when we hit play, the keyframes aren't being recorded on the arm bone, even though we just set them. This is a missing channel phenomenon. When you delete all keyframes on a bone while editing an animation, that bone often loses its ability to accept new keys. To fix this, go back to section 3 of the add-on, select the bone with the missing channel, and click Add. Now we can keyframe normally again. Let's try it. To keep the animation smooth, I'll copy the first key and paste it at the end frame. And there we go. It's working perfectly again, just like before we deleted the keys. That's the first scenario. But is there another way to trigger a missing channel? Let's look at another example. Suppose you finish your character design, but then you decide to add 2 horns. You want these horns to sway back and forth when the character moves. To do that, we need 2 new bones. I'll quickly duplicate this head bone, which already has many keyframes. In Edit mode, I'll press Shift+D to duplicate it. Now, let's switch to pose mode to add some keys. As you can see, the missing channel error is back. We can't add any keys to them. Once again, just click Add, and now we can keyframe as usual. This proves that missing channels occur whenever a bone's animation is completely wiped or when brand new bones are created. While we're here, I'll use the other horn to show you the smooth loop animation feature. I'll add some keys. But notice how the movement is jerky between the start and end points. First, switch the mode to dynamic cloth and hit Adjust. After testing, the jitter is still there. Let's undo that with Ctrl plus Z. This time, I'll double the blending parameter to 8 and try again. Now look at that. The result is incredibly smooth. The horn is looping perfectly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. You can find a download link for the tool in the description below.